This is a communications project to accelerate the introduction of multitask garden robots. If you think that chemical-free food is a priority, that neural implants and metaverses can wait, we feel the same. Tech robot Amy is a multitask robot with heavy-duty mechanics that are less precise than factory robots and lower maintenance. The telescopic arm can reach up to 49 inches, 360 degrees. It has an automatic tool changer for a variety of tools. A drill for digging, a seed dispenser, a hoe, pruners, pincers, and harvest collectors. There's a water intake at the back. It's self-coupling. The irrigation tube is under the arm. It can wash tools in the garden. It can even wash the car. The seed dispenser can arrange flower beds from custom designs and give flower arrangements to ladies. It can sow seeds, water plants, tidy soil, implant amendments, tend cultivar patchworks, pick food requests and bring them to you, collect compost, seedling guardian, de-weeding, ward off invasive species, and encourage rare and useful species with habitat management. Our group likes complex challenges of geometry, signal processing, and logic. It's essential to ensure that the app coding environment is easy for programmers. A friendly, powerful API with good documentation of class methods and properties for an easy user experience. It would be cool to encourage engineers in the community to contribute a host of upgrades so that the robot can achieve all garden tasks perfectly. Anyone with a bit of land and some sunshine will be able to make a living and free food without chemicals and plastics. Gardeners and farmers will be happy because bots will cost under $3,000 by 2030 and bring in $5,000 annually of higher value crops without depleting soil with monoculture blight and pests. This research was a challenge for a multitask garden robot under $3,000 with high versatility and durability. The quest for a perfect robot has become an obsession because technologies of 2023 can achieve it impeccably for a low price, and it can grow big fruit, so that would be exciting. If you want your cooking to be lavished with care and attention, not chemicals and pesticides, to be free and local, please join this movement. We need your help. Please tell your friends and share the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.